All right, it's time for another jam. This time we are doing a box from Dailylooks. It is, I don't know, from what I've seen on a bunch of commercials and a preview that I got. They look very promising. Can you get into this box? Here we are. Okay, let's try this knife. Always have to be careful. Each box has its own, like a return type of deal, so you don't want to cut through something that you need to reuse or return. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, here we go. Alright, it is open. It's big. And it comes with a little cute box. Box within the box. Look at that. How cute. So first thing first, we have some samples for anti-aging. A love note. And items. Like I said, I got to preview the box. Some of these boxes you can preview and then take out what you don't like. Only one time, and then they replace the item that you took out with something you don't know what's coming. But I got to preview. I think I chose most of the stuff to stay. First is a nice summer shirt. Cute. And it's made in USA. It's exciting. I'll go with some white pants I have and jeans. This is a little Cami. Small, I don't know, but it looks large. Who knows? My arms do all kinds of stuff, so you never know what's gonna fit. Ooh, no. That's gonna show my belly, and that's the item that I don't want to show off. We'll see. Michael Stars. Michael Stars from Los Angeles. Hellas. I don't know. Yeah. We'll see how it fits. Here's another shirt. Nice and long. I like the half sleeve action. And the flowers are not too hideous. It's doable. It's from the Elle. There's another long sleeve. It's super soft. It's by Olivia Gray. It's a small, but it looks like it can work. There's another item. Another American made. It's a little polka dot, but it's not what I have. I have like black and white and such. So this is a little different. I said no polka dot, but I don't remember. Maybe I didn't. I have so many of these boxes. I don't even know what's happening. Here's jeans. Although I have a lot of jeans, but my friend said to try some on. They're super soft. Just regular jeans by Flying Monkey. We'll see. I'll give it a try. Why not? And the last is a pantsuit. I don't know, I'm into pantsuits for some reason. This is by Jeresey, made in Guatemala. So that is a pantsuit. And that is my AC. It's got a pocket. I'm gonna pause this because you can't hear anything with the AC on. I'll take a break. Let's continue. I'm interrupted. Alright, so we have also in the box, we have a return label, a price sheet, return bag, I guess I get to keep this cute box. 9 items. You have 5 days to try it on. Send what you don't keep. These jeans are super soft. I doubt I can fit in that, but I do like this. It's very soft. Let me see what material we're dealing with. At least none of these feel very flammable. Maybe the 2 sheer tops. It is Ryan polyester and spandex. This looks, it's gonna be higher maintenance that I like, but we'll see. All depends how it fits. If it fits, it trips. Alright, yeah, this feels flammable. This feels normal. Soft and soft. All right, well, I will give you the usual tour and subscribe if you like. Maybe there's a box you want me to try out. I will be open to that. So give me some comments, suggestions, whatever. And I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Do widzenia!